Hello and welcome. Today we are exploring one of the most perfect shapes in geometry, the square. We will look at its definition, how it relates to other shapes like rectangles and rhombuses, and understand all its unique properties. A square is what we call a regular quadrilateral. The word regular means it is perfectly symmetrical. It has 4 sides that are all equal in length and 4 angles that are all equal to 90 degrees. First, it is important to understand that a square is a special type of parallelogram. This is because its opposite sides are parallel to each other. Side AB is parallel to side DC, and side AD is parallel to side BC. A square is also a rectangle. By definition, a rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Since a square has 4 90-degree angles, it technically qualifies as a very special rectangle where all sides happen to be equal. Similarly, a square is also a rhombus. A rhombus is defined as a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. Since a square has 4 equal sides, it fits this definition too. You can think of a square as a rhombus that has been straightened up to have right angles. Let us summarize the properties of the sides. In a square, all 4 sides are exactly the same length. Also, the opposite sides are always parallel, never touching each other no matter how far you extend them. Looking at the angles, every single corner of a square is a right angle, measuring exactly 90 degrees. If you add all 4 angles together, they sum up to 360 degrees. Now let us look at the diagonals, which are the lines connecting opposite corners. In a square, the 2 diagonals are equal in length. Furthermore, they bisect each other, meaning they cut each other exactly in half at point O. There is another special property for the diagonals. They cross each other at a perfect 90-degree angle. We say that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is a property shared with the rhombus. To wrap up, remember that a square combines the best properties of all quadrilaterals. It has the equal angles of a rectangle and the equal sides of a rhombus. It is the perfect intersection of these shapes, making it the most symmetric quadrilateral of all.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.